all of us, because this is the first time where you have been waiting for an exam for so long. You have been waiting for an exam for almost 1.5 years now, and it is now more about your mindset. It is less about your knowledge. You already know this. We are all revising it for you, and you're re-looking at them. But you also need to look at how to manage your motivation, how to manage your mindset. My suggestion to you here is that any time we feel lost in the path that we have taken on the life, any time where we feel कि नहीं यार नहीं हो पा रहा, समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या करें, पता नहीं कब होगा एग्जाम, कैसे करना है, any time we find ourselves lost, I want you to always introspect and go back to your why. The answer is always there inside of you. There is no, you don't have any competition with anybody else. It is about you. It is not about what others are doing. It is about what you want from life. If you can just introspect and find your why and note that down in your notebook, that why did you come so far? Why did you want to become a doctor? Why did you start to study? What is it that you want to get in life? Where is it that you want to reach in life? And it is like, what is it that you want your journey of life to look like? So when you start thinking about your why, you start getting aligned and you start working harder despite the negativity happening around you. ऐसा हो सकता है कि there would be the exam, somebody getting an exam getting delayed, somebody getting some problem at home, कुछ भी हो सकता है. लेकिन if you have your why with you, you will always come back. You will get deviated in between, but you will come back to your path because you have a why. Because in this life where we have a limited lifespan, we want to spend that time in the path where we feel we are destined for. And I want you to know today that all of you who have taken medicine as a profession, you know that you have taken a destined path of, it is a purposeful, a meaningful life as a physician, and you really want to do this. So in between you will be deviated here and there by looking at other people. कोई बोलेगा पढ़ने से क्या होगा, कोई बोले कुछ कहेगा, कोई कहेगा इससे अच्छा तो कुछ और कर ले. ऐसे सब people will keep deviating you. Some people will keep telling you that I am an engineer, I am doing I'm going to holiday, and all those Instagram pictures, whatever they might tell you, they will try their best to induce FOMO inside you, fear of missing out inside you. But if you have your path clear, if you know your why, you will always come back to it. And this is how great physicians are made. This is how great careers are made. People who make great careers are people who come back to their path again and again, relentlessly. You will have some failures in between. कभी कभी हारेंगे भी, कोई बात नहीं, then again come back. Sometimes you will be deviated, you will come back. Sometimes you will have to go out of the track because you have to manage something in the family, manage something in your own health. होगा कोई बात नहीं, but then you come back to your own path. So the winners are not people who who always win. Winners also have failures. Winners also have deviations in between. They also lose the track in between. But the only thing is that they are clear on their why and they come back relentlessly to the path again. दोबारा वापस आ जाते हैं वहां पे. And if you come back to that destined path, you will win massively in life. The key here is to have that invisible compass inside you which keeps pointing you towards your destined path, which keeps pointing you to the path where you will make maximum impact for the mankind, where you are destined to be. And one day when you will become a great GI surgeon, onco surgeon, cardiac surgeon, dermatologist, radiologist, obs and gynae, I want to speak all the branches so that orthopedic surgeon, I don't want to leave anybody, on the corner, though, wherever you want to. But if you have that purpose, that path clear in your mind, that why clear in your mind, you will be able to live through the difficulties. There will be difficulties in the path. If I tell you that you will always have it easy, that will be a lie. You will not have it easy. The life is not going to be easy, but it is going to be worth it if you have a clear cut why. And if you have a why clear for you, that I want to give this exam and do the best of my ability so that I get into AIIMS and PGI Chandigarh and JIPMER and NIMHANS and get into central institutes, and I get to work with the best brains in the country. I get to work in the best institutes. I can further my career. If you have your why clear, you will be able to put in the extra effort. Please introspect, think about your why, revise the images that I have shown you, and if you have done well, pat your back. You're already on the right track. I wish you all the best. It was a pleasure to teach you in this course. Bless you, all of you. Best of luck.